Good day, mates. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is like having a super smart digital assistant that can learn and adapt. It's all about machines mimicking human intelligence to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem solving, decision making, and even understanding human language. Imagine AI as a brainy sidekick that can crunch massive amounts of data in a blink of an eye. It's the wizard behind the curtain of self-driving cars, virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, and even those nifty recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms. AI is everywhere, making our lives easier and more efficient. But how does AI actually work? Well, it's all about algorithms, a set of rules and instructions that tell the AI how to process information. Machine learning is a key part of AI, where algorithms learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions. Now, AI isn't all rainbows and butterflies. There are ethical concerns around privacy, bias, and job displacement. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly to benefit society as a whole. So, next time you ask Siri for the weather forecast or marvel at a self-driving car cruising down the street, remember that it's all thanks to the power of AI. It's a game changer that's shaping the world we live in, one algorithm at a time. Cheers to the future of artificial intelligence.